Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS7 and Ferrari 812 Superfast. The RS7 is a high-performance luxury sportback, while the 812 Superfast is a purebred grand touring supercar. We'll explore their distinct approaches to power, design, and driving dynamics. Both offer incredible speed, but cater to different desires. Let's dive into what makes each of these machines truly special. The Audi RS7 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides immense power with a broad torque band. In contrast, the Ferrari 812 Superfast boasts a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, producing 789 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. The Ferrari's V12 is renowned for its high-revving nature and an exhilarating, distinct exhaust note. When it comes to practicality, the Audi RS7 is a four-door sportback, offering seating for 4 or 5 passengers and generous cargo space, making it suitable for daily use. Its starting price is around $130,000. The Ferrari 812 Superfast, however, is a two-seater grand tourer, prioritizing performance over passenger capacity. Its price point is considerably higher, often starting well over $300,000. The RS7 offers a refined yet potent driving experience, with its quattro all-wheel drive system providing exceptional grip and stability, making it a capable daily driver. The 812 Superfast, with its rear-wheel drive and naturally aspirated V12, delivers a more visceral, track-focused thrill, demanding more driver engagement. Both cars are engineering marvels, but cater to different driving philosophies. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.